This is stuff that's so important, and you don't want to skip steps when you're just learning, or even if you're a seasoned canner, you don't want to skip steps. And I hear a lot on Facebook about how your grandparents and your parents did it, and you do it the same way. They water bath everything. I totally get that, you guys. My family in Italy, when they made sauce, all they did was they made the sauce. They pureed the tomatoes. They put the cold tomatoes into jars. They put the jars in a hot water bath, and they put a blanket over it. Well, of course, the jars are sealing. Your jars are going to seal. That doesn't mean it's safe to eat and leave on your pantry. It's safe to put in your refrigerator, certainly. But in order to process correctly, you need to pressure can it. Not that the water bath canning, if you don't have a pressure canner, is not safe. So, yeah, we just want you guys to be safe and learn the correct methods. We know so much more about our food and why we process it the way we do.